Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to register on Gate.io using a referral code and receive a sign-up bonus of $130. If you are new to the world of cryptocurrency and want to start trading, then Gate.io is an excellent exchange to consider. So, let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Gate.io website. Open up your web browser and go to the Gate.io website. Once you are on the home page, click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Fill in the registration form. You will be taken to the registration page, where you will be asked to fill in your email address and password. Step 3. Enter the referral code. Enter the referral code in the referral code field. Use our code or click the link in the video description. This is important as it will ensure that you receive the sign-up bonus of $130. Step 4. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on the Sign Up button. Step 5. Verify your account. After registering, you will need to verify your account before you can start trading. Click on the verification button located at the top of the page and follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Step 6. Claim your sign-up bonus. Once your account has been verified, you can claim your sign-up bonus of $130. Click on the Wallet button located at the top of the page and select My Wallet. Then, click on Claim Rewards and enter the verification code that was sent to your email address. Once you have done that, the bonus will be credited to your account. And that's it. You have successfully registered on Gate.io using a referral code and claimed your sign-up bonus. Now, you can start trading and investing in the world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.